Okay, let's discuss some types of sets. Sets may be classified according to the number of elements that they contain. To start with, we have the finite sets. What are the finite sets? How do we define it? In finite sets, a set in which the last member can be found. All the members of the finite sets are known, they can all be found, including the very last member of the set. So if I take set A, I may say, oh, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. These are the members of set A. They are known, and the last one, which is 10, is also known. When I go to the infinite sets, it's quite different from the finite sets. Why? Because in the infinite set, the last member is not known, and the last member cannot be found. It may be far away from the starting of the set. So when I take set B, for instance, I will have 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. It continues until when? When does it end? I don't know. So that makes it an infinite set. I also have the null sets. The null sets. In this set, there's no element. It's also called an empty set. It can be denoted by this or this. No member, zero member. It's called the null set. Sometimes we used to make this kind of mistake. Let's note this. If I have a set with zero as a member, it's not an empty set. Why? Because it has at least a member, one member. So it's not an empty set. Zero is a member of the set. While the null set has no member, zero member, no, not a single one. Yeah. So going to the unit set. The unit set is another type of set which has only one member. It has only one member. So if I take set C, and the member is, let's say, 4, then it's a unit set. It has only one member. That's what we are calling the unit sets. And I also have the universal set. The universal set is the biggest set under study. It contains all the objects under discussion. So if, for example, I take set C, and I say set C is equal to the months of the year starting with June. Sorry, starting with J. So I have June, I have July. This is my set C. So if I take this set as C, so this set is a part of a set. And that set, which is maybe Q, is a set of all the months of the year. Sorry, I have July and I have January also. Sorry, January. So the set C is all the months of the year starting with J. So I have June, July, and January. So all these three sets are members of a certain set, which is all the months of the year. all the months of the year starting from January, February, March, April, May, June up to December. So in this case, I will take set Q as the universal set, and the universal set can also be denoted as issue. So this Q is the universal set, and I study all the elements and I study which are the months of the year are found in this set. Thank you.